Say hello to the Xiaomi Mijia 5 Pro, also known as the Omni Infinite, a robotic vacuum cleaner that pushes the boundaries of smart home cleaning. With record-breaking suction, intelligent obstacle recognition, and a fully automated cleaning base, this is one of the most advanced cleaning robots Xiaomi has ever built. The headline feature is power. With a staggering 23,000 pascals of suction, the Mijia 5 Pro stands among the strongest robot vacuums on the market. From dust and crumbs to embedded dirt and pet hair, it tackles even the toughest messes across carpets, rugs, and hard floors with ease. But raw power isn't everything. This robot is also incredibly smart. It uses an AI-powered panoramic recognition system with a triple camera setup, allowing it to identify over 200 household objects and avoid tangling with cords, toys, or pet bowls. Even better, it doesn't just see obstacles. It detects 47 different types of dirt and adapts its cleaning strategy in real time for maximum efficiency. The Mijia 5 Pro also redefines mopping. Equipped with dual robotic arms, it can sweep and mop simultaneously. Its intelligent mop lifting system ensures carpets stay dry, while the main and side brushes can also lift automatically when needed, separating wet and dry cleaning areas for seamless transitions. Supporting this is a truly next-level base station. Unlike traditional robots that wash occasionally, the Mijia 5 Pro uses high-temperature self-cleaning and drying. It washes its mop with hot water, automatically cleans the base tray, and dries everything with air heated up to 80 degrees Celsius, eliminating odors and bacteria. A smart rewash system even monitors water turbidity and rewashes the mop if it's still dirty. Intelligence extends to the app as well. You get smart map generation, dynamic cleaning reports, and even remote pet monitoring via the built-in video manager. This means you can check in on your furry friends while the robot is hard at work. In daily use, the Xiaomi Mijia 5 Pro feels like a true hands-free solution. It delivers top-tier suction, adapts intelligently to your floors, and keeps its mop hygienically clean with zero effort from you. The combination of AI recognition, high-temperature self-maintenance, and sheer cleaning power makes it one of the most complete robotic vacuums on the market today. So who is it for? If you have a busy household, pets, or simply want the very best in robot cleaning tech, the Xiaomi Mijia 5 Pro Omni Infinite is an absolute powerhouse that does it all: vacuuming, mopping, and maintaining itself to perfection.